that, everything will have to be well. Thank you so much to them. And of course, the teachers.
Good morning, colleagues. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hi. There is no half term. Let the kids be in school, and nobody should interact with these children. We are wanting to bless the children. I've brought oil. Please.
Thank you, Madam President. I'd like to commend some very good schools which are doing good feeding for their pupils in this period of exam.
For persons of integrity who cherish values, and that was identified. So we're encouraging you to make sure that Chief Invigilators, please failure to seal the script returning envelopes. We're encouraging you. Okay, in that initial name supervisors, how many were? What normally do you look at in the question paper envelope? You as a chief invigilator or before as a supervisor? What comes in as a chief invigilator? Okay, what is your role as a chief invigilator? Yes?
As the chief, you have to look at the subject. Does it correspond with the timetable?
Great.
Then the time.
Your cardinal role as a chief invigilator is to arrive at the sitting center early. Why do you arrive early? So that you are able to receive these question papers from the distributor. So for example, now Fairfield and Nijay. And each school has a unique random number per session. Mathematics has its own random number. So these two schools, it is mathematics. Actually, it is mathematics we are doing together. Enjoy them. Put the rubbish in front. Put the rubbish in front. Let's wipe our hands. Whose side are you sitting on? Sitting on the Lord said. Whose side are you sitting on? Sitting on the Lord side. Whose side are you sitting on? Sitting on the Lord side. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. Jumping on the Lord side. Whose side are you sitting on? Sitting on the Lord side. Whose side are you sitting on? Sitting on the Lord side. Whose side are you sitting on? What are you supposed to do? Put off everything. Don't panic. Study what is on the envelope, and that's why we encourage you, the head teachers, to be in the environment, be in the working room as the candidates start their papers, to witness, to see to it that what is recorded on the question paper is the same information when they are counting it is in. Then as soon as it is 10 minutes, they tell the candidates to start. Then you, a head teacher, leave the examination room. Then when it is remaining 10 minutes to end the exercise, the head teacher, please, you come to witness the closure of that end of examination, so that you are certain that all the scripts of your candidates have been sealed in and all your candidates have signed the attendances and everything is sure. Then you are set to go and know that truly my candidates are set and all their scripts are sealed in. So, chief invigilators, one of your weaknesses was smuggling in the question papers from the examination room. That is not what you are supposed to do. Once the exams have started, you have issued out the question papers, the balance hand over to the chief scout, who will lock them in the lockable facility. And we encourage you head teachers that you preserve these lockable facilities for these individuals to use to cover this, to lock up these remaining documents or question papers. Filling in information on the returning script envelope wrongly. Like I've said, once you get these examination question papers, envelopes, study, read through before you start writing. What does the envelope say? What is it required? And then you fill in the information. Let us ensure that neither he or she has any invigilator or special needs support candidate or having a phone. We have talked about mobile phones. So make sure that even the special needs personnel, you, the supervisors, the invigilators, do not have mobile phones while the examinations are taking place. Any of them who comes to the examination room or center with a phone must deposit it to the
day. So I always tell them, you go, time you come and you go, but how have you left? So tell them to calm down. Be friendly to them. Let us be friendlier than we've ever been to them. And let us be considerate. Let us not toss them psychologically. Remember, some children, we are demanding school fees, but they are not the ones who pay money. They don't have the money. It is the parents that have got the what? So don't remind them at this time. Let us settle them, because every grade, every candidate counts in our midst. So
harassment of the school. You know, they get one pupil and then the whole school suffers. Are we aware of that? So let us try to observe maximum discipline in this period of time. We shall have better results. Can I inform the head teachers to be at school? Because when the head teacher is not at school, there are a lot of mess that happens at schools. But if you are at school, you are in control. There are some schools, even when the head teacher is not there, when there is control, those ones I commend them. But at least I want to commend head teachers to at least be at school, the doors be very serious, and see that at least we have to observe maximum discipline in the school.
Okuliisa obulungi abaana baffe ku lunaku olwo, omuntu ayinza okubuuza okuliisa obulungi kwe kuliwa. Twandyagadde ne bakyusaako ku dayate ne bava ku mmere yaabwe eya bulijjo ey'obuugi oba akawunga n'ebijanjaalo, naye ng'era abazadde be balina otusapootinga mu ngeri eyo. Naye weesanga ng'era abamu tebasobola okusinziira ku nfuna yaabwe, naye nga abaana baffe bandibadde mu kiseera ekyo baliisibwa bulungi. Omuntu bw'olindirira ekintu ky'oludda okufuna, ky'obadde olindirira ebbanga ate ne kirwawo, mu butuufu owulira ng'oggwaamu amaanyi. N'abaana baffe kyekimu bwe batuula mu examination room, ebibuuzo ne birwawo okutuuka, oba oli awo concentration eyinza okukka.